Hey there! Ever wondered just how much time your eyes are glued to your phone screen every day? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to check your total screen time on your Xiaomi device. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in the settings, just give it a little scroll until you spot Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Next up, tap on that. Right there, you'll see the total number of hours and minutes your phone has been on. Just give a little tap on the time or in the middle of the circle, and boom, this page will pop up. Here, you can check out your usage from previous days by tapping on those bars. Not only can you see how much time you have spent, but you'll also see which apps you have been hooked on during that time. And guess what? You can even set limits on app usage by tapping on the hourglass icon and picking a time limit. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to check your total screen time on Xiaomi phones. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Hungry for more tips and tricks related to Xiaomi phones? Well, you're in luck. Hit that subscribe button because we have got plenty more coming your way soon. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.